Add customization from the Styles tab. If you go to the front end, default colors are set. To apply changes, select your desired theme color, text color, and heading color. Then click on the Save Changes button. The changes will be made on the front end of your restaurant. You can also change the display of your cart type. If you see, the sliding cart type is selected. On the back end, select the image for the cart display icon from your media library and click on Choose. Now, click on the Save Changes to see the amendments on the front end page of your restaurant. If you want to change the icon color, you can do so from the back-end options. Also, you have the option to change the cart background color. Add any product to your cart, and you will see the changes are saved. For more customization, change your sliding text color. Click on Save Changes, and check on the front end page. You can also change the color of your checkout button and its text. See the changes on the front end.